Tatawa mo.
Kasi nakalimutan
Nagre-record na.
Nakalimutan ko yung pindot yung pagpunta sa parking.
Fail. So kanina pa kami nandito sa loob ng elevator kasi hindi siya pumipindot na pupunta na siya ng parking. So what are you gonna do today?
Today I'm going to try to take off the steering wheel, the shift knob, and the shift boot because I wanted the Alcantara look.
Okay, let's go. Safety precaution, always remember if you're gonna do something with the airbag, you need to take off the battery. And that's what she's doing right now.
Okay, so now we're going to try to take off the shift knob. Shift knob first.
Counterclockwise lang.
Ta-da!
Hindi po kita.
Okay, next. Here, you need to push it down and feel there's some plastic
Clip.
clip. And then you just have to there.
Ow.
Mahina ako mag-clip eh. And then don't forget neutral.
There you go. Now for the steering wheel.
Okay, so now we're going to try to remove the steering wheel. But first, you need to disengage the airbag first. You will need a powerful flashlight. There's a clip here. One here at the bottom and another one here. Okay, so here we go.
You might wanna turn it dyan. Oh, this sa side na yan. Ala ko you want to start sa bottom.
Where's the button? Come here, can you capture this?
I don't think
Barrel.
so. I don't think you can. Hindi makukuha yan. Kita mo?
You see that
That metal thing.
metal thing?
Just have to push it. Slide
That
na.
one. You just have to push it.
These on YouTube videos I watch.
Okay, so let's try and push that clip.
Hop! Nice. Disengage dyan.
See? This
Okay.
one.
Index one.
Okay, next. This one on the side. It's really hard to see, so you need a bright flashlight here. From my position, it's easier to see the clip.
No, she has a special tool.
My screwdriver won't reach that. So I'm using a barbecue stick.
Yeah, she's been trying. Oh, nice. You got it.
Alright, next.
One more, last. That looks so simple.
Can you turn it, Dad?
Other way. Whoop.
Whoop.
It locked. But if you can see it from there. Can you?
No. Okay, can I borrow the camera so I can show them? Here, kasi
It's a little bit tricky. He's been doing this for the past
the
half hour.
screwdriver won't reach the clip. Did I get it?
Yeah. You did it! You the woman.
Hard work.
Okay, take off the airbag. Put it in the middle.
Next. Oh no, my sweat is dripping.
It's okay.
So here,
Take off the terminal.
there's a terminal here.
You have to
Remove it.
press muna. Press the small.
There.
There you go.
Then this one, you need something sharp.
There's an arrow. You take it from there. It's from the arrow. There you go. Then there you go.
Airbag.
That's how to take it off. Now if you want to get the steering wheel off, you need a 17
Socket.
socket. And that's about it. Nice!
Okay, welcome back, guys. So change of plans now. We're going to install the STI stock steering wheel. But first, we need to take the battery terminal off again because we're going to work with the airbag. We need to install it. Okay, so now we're going to return the cover, the back cover. So just have to fit this in first. Don't forget the okay. So we need to turn the screw.
I have to make sure that this one's aligned going back in there. Put it back. The wires first. Center it. That is not centered. Okay, put the terminals back, tapos yung 17. Guys need
This one here.
Yep, put it back and tighten with the ratchet. Size 17. Put it in reverse kasi untighten yung kanina.
Mhm.
Oh.
Now, there you go. I think it's nice and tight. You need to put this back again here. But be careful. There. Now for the airbag. You need to return the terminal.
Is that tight?
Wait, not yet. Let's turn on siya.
Are you ready to test?
I guess so.
Pause muna.
Yeah.
Dasal muna tayo. So she's gonna try and put the terminal back right now. Then testing. Pagsabog, lagot. We're waiting. Diyan lang, may rosaryo tayo.
Visit.
Oh, siguro okay na dahil hindi naman nag-deploy.
What?
Gusto mo i-start? Anong what? Hindi nga nag-deploy, ayaw mo nun?
Hindi ibig sabihin.
Nyinyi. Okay na.
Success?
I guess. Siguro kailangan i-drive. So what are you gonna say?
Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.